Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the INET resource not found error you're getting in Windows 10. So if you're having some problems with your internet connection, this tutorial will be for you. So we're going to jump into it and we're going to start by opening up the start menu. Just left click on the start button one time. Type in control panel. Best match should come back with control panel here. Just want to left click on that one time. So you want to go ahead and left click on Network and Sharing Center. So you want to have your view by set to large and then select Network and Sharing Center. Now you want to go ahead and underneath whatever your connection type is over here, just left click on it. So it might be Ethernet or Wi-Fi, really doesn't matter. Just as long as you have an internet connection over there. And then you want to go ahead and left click on Properties. You want to go down to Internet Protocol version 4 and you want to go ahead and left click on Properties again. Select use the following DNS server address. This is going to be Google's own DNS server here. So you want to type in 8 and then the next space you want to just take your mouse and click inside the second area, type 8 again, another 8 and then another 8. So it should be 4 8s. Make sure you're not having 4 8s all in one area. So like this, you don't want to do that. You want to just have them all spaced out evenly. For the preferred DNS server and the alternate DNS server, the same format except it's going to be 8.8.4.4. Once you're done with that, go ahead and left click on OK. Please note if you ever had a problem, you can always go back to obtaining DNS server address automatically without any issue. So go ahead, left click on OK. Click on Close for that. Once you're done with that, you want to go ahead and close out of here. So once you're done with that, I would suggest restarting your computer and hopefully your issue has been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.